Join your hands, close your eyes, start chanting Omkaram. Sairam. So everybody just take out your classwork copy. Sairam. Everybody just take out your class. But no need to say Sairam again and again. Okay?
Sairam ma'am. Sairam ma'am. Page number. Sairam ma'am.
You have to take out your textbook and classwork copy. You just tell me the page number which we have to do reading is from, on which reading is fun is given. Just tell me who was asking page number, where reading is fun questions are given. Tell me the page number and just tell me in the chat box. Don't unmute yourself. Just write in the chat box on which page number reading is fun is given. Be fast. मैंने आपको बेटा मैं आपको yes yes very good page number 2 excellent on page number 2 reading is fun is given. So what you have to do, you have to just take out your yes so many students are right. Yes, very good. So what you have to do, we are going to discuss the question answers first. Page number 1, just wait. Who wants to read the first question? Just write in the chat box I. If you have written first I, then I will give you chance. Just let me check who wrote first I. Yashwardhan Singh Bunkar. Read the first question.
Yes, ma'am. Why is the child in the poem happy?
It is not poem, it's poem.
Oh.
Repeat this question once again. Read the question once.
Why is the child in the poem happy?
Read it once again.
Why is the child in the poem happy?
Is it the word poem? What is the correct pronunciation?
Why is the child in the poem happy?
Poem, happy. Okay. Now, who wants to tell the answer of it? Why is the child? Arathya Shrivastava. Very good. Aman. If you want to tell the answer, you have to raise the hand just like Arathya.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, better. You have to be in discipline. Now you are in class 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Don't unmute yourself. Yes, Arathya.
Yes, ma'am. The child in the poem happy because it is morning and she can talk, play with sun, wind, sky, birds, trees, grass, and bees.
Yes, absolutely correct. Else anybody wants to say? Yes, Ruhani.
The child in the poem is happy because it is morning and she can take and play with the sky, sun, wind, bird, grass, and bees.
Because the word is talk, not take. Talk. T-A-L-K. Talk. Okay? Correct that word. Okay? Very good. Very good, Rihani. Beautiful. Now, all of you might have understood the first answer. So, what is the first one? The child in the poem is happy because it is morning and she can talk and play with the sky, sun, winds, birds, grass, and bees. Okay? Now we will discuss question number 2. Drishti. Rajput, why you wrote the question, beta? Drishti,
Yes, ma'am.
why you wrote the question?
अरे कुछ नहीं रही
आपने क्वेश्चन क्यों लिखा?
मैसी
चलिए नोट कर लीजिए. चलिए. Now next question. Who wants to read the next question? Anika.
Yes, ma'am. Whom does that say good morning?
Okay, very good. Mute yourself, beta. Mute yourself. Mute yourself. Mute yourself.
The child says good
Bitya,
morning.
mute yourself. Mute yourself. I told you to read only question. Okay. Okay, Anika. Now Kushagra. Can you tell me?
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
you tell me the answer of it?
Yes, ma'am. The child said good morning to the sky, sun, winds, birds, grass, and bees.
Very good. Else anybody wants to say? Taro?
मम्मी तो जिसके एक बार आंसर दे उसको वापस नहीं लेती हैं.
अच्छा ठीक है कोई बात नहीं अपना माइक भी अनम्यूट है उसको बंद कर लीजिए ठीक है ना तारश
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ कैन यू टेल मी द आंसर ऑफ इट
What, ma'am?
कैन यू टेल मी द क्वेश्चन नंबर 2
One.
to whom does the child say good morning
Your voice is not clear.
okay so you mute it. Tell me the answer of question number 2 am I audible properly is my voice clear
No, ma'am.
okay then just okay Satakshi
Yes,
Anika,
ma'am.
why you're writing Sairam ma'am, hello ma'am, don't write these things within the chat box. Otherwise, I have to lock the chat box. Okay, just tell me the answer of it. Question number 2. Am I
Yes, ma'am.
audible?
Yes,
Am I
ma'am.
audible?
You're audible. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
my voice is also clear.
Yes, ma'am. Your voice is clear.
Okay. There might be a network problem at Tarish's house. Okay, just
Okay,
tell
ma'am.
me the answer of question number 2.
Yes, ma'am. The child says good morning to the sky, sun, wind, grass, trees, birds, bees, and grass.
Okay, so how many students know both the answers? The student those who know both the answers, they are supposed to write in the chat box. Write the first answer in the chat box, and if you have not written in the copy, then first of all write in the copy, and if you have written in the copy, then write in the chat box all the 2 answers by writing answer 1 like this. Answer 1 and write the answer and answer like this. And you have supposed to write the answer. I have not written the answer. You are supposed to write the answer. And answer 2. Write the answers. All the students, if my voice is not clear, then write the answers in the chat box. Be fast, everybody. Be fast. Triveni, please don't do such things, beta. Grow up, beta.
मैम
Don't.
क्वेश्चन भी लिखना है चैट बॉक्स में और आंसर भी।
नहीं, मैंने आपको अभी एक इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया है, आपको सिर्फ आंसर 1 डाल के सिर्फ आंसर लिखना है, आंसर 2 डाल करके आंसर लिखना है, क्वेश्चन नहीं लिखना। अगर वो तब लिखना है, दृष्टि पूरी बात सुनिए, दृष्टि पूरी बात सुनिए।
मैम चैट बॉक्स में लिखना है।
अगर आपने कॉपी में लिख लिया है तो चैट बॉक्स में लिखना है, और अगर कॉपी में नहीं लिखा है तो पहले कॉपी में लिखना। Write the full answer, Tarush. Don't write the word child, the child.
मैम बाय मिस्टेक सॉरी।
Write the full answer. Right? If you have read, how many students have written in the copy? Just raise your hand. I can see Satakshi, Tarush, Aradhya, Rohani, Anika. Very good. Rhythm,
यस मैम।
क्या आपने कॉपी में लिखा है?
नो मैम।
क्यों नहीं लिखा आपने कॉपी में बेटा?
मैम मैं लिख रहा हूँ।
ठीक है, लिखिए। Rest of you?
मैम मैंने भी लिखा श्रेयस गुप्ता ने।
Shreyas, I cannot see you. Place your camera in such a way that I can see you. Adjust your camera in such a way that I can see you. Yes, now I can see you. Anabia, mute your computer. Anabia, I want the full answer. Don't write the child, Anika, Radhika. Don't write the child. What is the child? I want the full answer.
मैं पूरा लिख रही थी, गलती से भेज के मेरे से।
हाँ, ये वेची फर्स्ट लेटर जो होता है कैपिटल होता है, द आपने स्मॉल लिखा है, उसको करेक्शन करके भेजिए। द चाइल्ड इन द पोम इज हैप्पी
मैम
श्रेयस, म्यूट योरसेल्फ श्रेयस। आया पूरा। यस यस।
मैम आई हैव अ डाउट।
Who is that one having doubt? I means better don't tell I. Tell your name.
मैम श्रेयस।
Yes, Shreyas. Good stuff. What is your doubt? The don't write the. बोलिए बेटा।
मैम हमको वो आंसर मोबाइल में देख के लिखना क्या मन से?
आपको मन से लिखना है।
ओके
ठीक है, आपको याद नहीं करना है, आपको कंटेंट वही रखना है। आप लैंग्वेज अपना चेंज कर सकते हैं, ठीक है, जो आपको कन्वीनियंट लगे, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है कि आंसर कुछ भी लिखेंगे। अब मॉर्निंग को इवनिंग नहीं बना सकते, मॉर्निंग है तो मॉर्निंग ही लिखना पड़ेगा, ठीक है ना। Wait, correct the answer. The you have written 2 times. Correct it. The child in the poem is happy. Rest of the student, those who have not written, just I'm sharing the screen. Just write this answer. Be fast. How many students have not written the answer? The classwork copy. I want in the classwork copy. Just raise your hand. Those who have not written the classwork copy. Who has not written the classwork copy? दर्शिका.
मैम मैंने लिख लिया.
हाँ दर्शिका बोलिए बेटा.
मैम मैंने लिख लिए.
ठीक है, तो मैंने पूछा है किसने नहीं लिखे हैं. very good. Satakshi, absolutely correct. The child in the poem is happy because it is morning and she can talk and play with the sun. Very good, very good. Put full stop. Ruhani, very good, very good. Very good, Ruhani. It's correct. Vedansh Prajapati, correct. Very good, very good. Ved, the child in the poem. In the poem, why you wrote 2 times Ved, the child in the poem is happy. Correct it because she likes sun. Just in the poem, correct Vedan, Ved.
मैम
Correct
सेकंड
that
भी
word.
लिखना है.
हाँ second भी लिखना है बेटा. You can write the second one also. Those who have not written the answer, they can copy down Ruhani's answer or Satakshi's answer, Vedansh Prajapati's answer. Very good. Right, Tarush, the child in the poem is happy because it is morning. Ah, yes. Put full stop, beta. Kushagar, very good. Excellent. The child in the poem is happy because it is morning. Very good, beta. Write the second answer also. If you have completed, write the second rhythm. Start writing the answer in the chat box. Don't talk. रिदम जी, आप बातें नहीं कीजिए. हाँ बोलिए.
मैम मेरी कॉपी में लिखा है.
तो इसको चैट बॉक्स में भी लिखना है.
ओके मैम.
हाँ, तो मुझे पता चलेगा कि आपने मिस्टेक क्या किया है. लिखिए फटाफट. Be fast. Now I want the second answer. Be fast, everybody. Just be fast. Write the second answer. Aradhya, you too write the answer in the chat box, beta. Try to write. Anabia, the child. The spelling of child is wrong. T should be capital. Anabia. A. Then is happy because it is morning and she can talk and play. P will be small with the sky, not wings, winds, little winds. WINDS, birds and bees. Birds, grass and bees. Okay, very good. Anabia, just correct these words. The child says good morning to sky, sun. Yes, correct, Vita. Very good. Jay, start writing the answer. Be fast to write. Yashvardhan, very good. Kushagra, very good. Very good, Kushagra. Rhythm. Very good, very good, very good. Everybody is writing. Rhythm, you have not written the full answer. It is rhythm, complete the answer. Okay, very good. Excellent, excellent. Now we are going to discuss our third answer. The child says good morning to you. Very good, Ruhani. Excellent, Ruhani. Now, third answer. Who is going to read the third question? Okay, Ruhani, read the third one.
The child wants to play with the sun.
You're
I,
supposed to read the question. Question. Read the question.
what does the child want to do?
Okay, that's all. Just mute yourself. What does the child want to do? Who wants to tell the answer? Madhav, someone.
वाला भी लिखना है
अभी रुक जाइए, पहले इसको डिस्कस कर ले फिर. ओके, ठीक है बेटा. Madhav, tell me the answer. What does the child want to do? Darshika. What does the child want to do? Jay. The first letter, the sentence
The
begins with
child wants to play with the sky, run,
sun.
sun, birds, a tree, grass and birds.
Okay. Now who wants to tell? Who wants to tell? Darshika, Vedansh, Drishti, Tanish, Divedi, Tanish Divedi.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the answer. Third answer. If you know the answer now, the students can write in the chat box. If you know the answer, you can write. Third का answer बोलिए. If you know the answer, those students who know the answer, just write in the chat box. Be fast to write.
The child say,
Wants to.
the child wants to the sky, sun,
To play with the. To play with the.
to play with the sky, sun, winds, birds, trees, and grass, bees. Thank
Okay,
you.
very good. Okay. Next. Else anybody? Paridhi.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the third answer. What does the child want to do?
Ma'am, I can answer it.
Yes, you have to. Just tell me the answer.
Chat box.
No, you have to tell orally.
Okay, ma'am. 1 second.
Drishti, the first letter should be capital. The T should be capital THE. Tell me the answer, Drishti. Paridhi, tell me the answer. Else who wants to tell the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
The first letter should be capital. Here D should be capital. Drishti, आप आंसर बताना चाहें? Okay. Okay, Shreyash, tell me to unmute yourself.
The child in the poem.
It is not poem, it is poem.
The child has to. The child in the poem has to play with sky, sun, birds, bees, and sing a song.
Okay, very good. Okay, so we have completed reading is fun. How many students have not written? Can you raise your hand if you have not written the answer? Okay, now we are going to talk. discuss talk time. But we are going to discuss talk time. In the morning, okay, let me.
Ma'am,
Yes, who is that, ma'am?
Paridi,
Yes, Pariti.
that question answer.
Which question answer you want to tell?
The child in the poem want to play sun,
Wants
wind, sky,
wants to play with the.
wants to play with the sun, wind, sky, trees, birds.
Okay. Now, talk time. Who wants to read this talk time? No, wait. Yes, Dhruv Sharma. Dhruv
Yes,
Sharma,
ma'am.
talk time.
The child wants to play with
बेटा
sky, sun,
बेटा बेटा
wind,
बेटा बेटा
birds,
चेक
trees,
लो
grass,
सुनिए
and bees.
बेटा वी हैव डिस्कस द क्वेश्चन आंसर्स हमने क्वेश्चन आंसर्स डिस्कस कर लिया अब मैं आपको टॉक टाइम रीड करने के लिए बोल रही हूँ ठीक है क्या रीड करने के लिए बोल रही हूँ टॉक टाइम में जो फर्स्ट
In the
क्वेश्चन है वो रीड
morning,
कर
I say good morning. At night, I say good night. A dog
हम्म
says wow wow.
हम्म
A cow says moo moo.
हम्म से गुड मॉर्निंग
Say good morning in your own language to your friends, your teacher.
वन बाय वन यू हैव टू से गुड मॉर्निंग इन योर लैंग्वेज आप अपनी भाषा में गुड मॉर्निंग कैसे कहेंगे जैसे सुप्रभात ठीक है
Yes, ma'am.
तो आप कैसे कहेंगे तो कौन बताना यस आराध्या श्रीवास्तव लेट अस स्टार्ट विद दैट हाँ विथ हर बी फर्स्ट यस आराध्या अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ बेटा हाँ
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ यू हैव टू से गुड मॉर्निंग इन योर ओन लैंग्वेज
I say good morning in my own language.
बेटा आपको अपनी भाषा में गुड मॉर्निंग बोलना है जो भी भाषा आप घर पे बोलते हो ना उसमें आप गुड मॉर्निंग कैसे बोलोगे जिससे मैं हिंदी बोलती हूँ घर पर तो मैं कैसे बोलूंगी सुप्रभात
मैम मैं तो गुड मॉर्निंग ही बोलती हूँ।
गुड मॉर्निंग ये बोलते हो अच्छा ठीक है और अपने टीचर्स को क्या बोलते हो मैम को क्या बोलते हो
मैम गुड मॉर्निंग।
आज सुबह आकर के आपने सबसे पहले क्या बोला हमको
साईराम।
समझ आ गया ओके नेक्स्ट हु वांट्स टू से
मैम
आप
कुशाग्र।
अपने मदर टंग का भी यूज कर सकते हैं हाँ यस कुशाग्र
मैम आई टेल सुप्रभात। मैम आई
and to your teacher
मैम व्हाट
what you say in the morning to your teacher
मैम साईराम मैम।
Sai Ram okay very good what about the next else any हाँ yes Aman
मैम गुड मॉर्निंग एंड अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
अच्छा and to your teacher
मैम साईराम एंड गुड मॉर्निंग।
okay
सॉरी
else Drishti mute yourself yes Parithi
मैम आई कैन से
Parithi is not audible
मैम
yes
आई
Anabia
कैन
yeah Anabia बेटा yes Anabia
Ma'am, Yashvardhan. I tell Assalamu alaikum and good morning.
And to your teachers? Okay, Rohani.
Ma'am, I can. Ma'am, Yashvardhan.
Yes, Yashvardhan, wait you.
Ma'am, Paridi.
सबको चांस दोगी बेटा, रुक जाइए एक एक करके. हाँ. Yes, Rohani.
I say Suprabhat in my language and Sairam to my teacher.
Very good, very good. What about else? Anybody? Mute yourself, beta.
Ma'am,
Rohani,
Yashvardhan.
Where is Yashvardhan? Okay, Yashvardhan, yes.
Good morning, Suprabhat. Sairam.
Very good. यशवर्धन, थोड़ा सा पेशेंस रखना पड़ेगा. एक बच्चे से जब मैम पूछ रही है ना, तो आपको थोड़ा सा वेट करना पड़ेगा बेटा. ठीक है? नेक्स्ट, परिधि.
Yes, ma'am. I can. Good morning, and my teacher.
I say good morning.
I say good morning, and my
To
teacher Sairam.
Okay. Okay. Now my next question. How would you wish them when you leave the school in the evening? When you are leaving the school in the evening, how are you going to wish your teachers and your friends? Who wants to say? Yeah, Rohani. She has raised her hand. Yes.
I say Sairam to my teachers and I bye my friend.
Bye to my friends. Okay. In the evening, she is saying bye and Sairam to the teachers. Else, anybody?
I can. Ma'am, Kushag.
Yes, Dhruv. Just wait. Let Dhruv speak. Yes, Dhruv.
Good morning in my own language, Radhe Radhe. And ma'am is Sairam.
बेटा, जब आप स्कूल से घर जाते हो तब की बात कर रही हूँ. हाउ वुड यू विश देम व्हेन यू लीव स्कूल इन द इवनिंग? जब आप स्कूल से घर के लिए जाते हो दोपहर में, तो आप क्या कहते हो?
I have given answer. What, ma'am? Good afternoon.
Okay, yes, Shreyash.
Ma'am, good afternoon.
To whom you are saying good afternoon? To whom you are saying good afternoon, Shreyash? To your friends or to the teachers?
Ma'am,
कौन है ये मैम? Yes, Satakshi.
ma'am, I said bye bye to my friends and Sairam to my teacher.
Okay, very good. I say bye bye to my friends and silent to my teachers. Okay, so now we are going to write some more questions from Diksha. Just take out your class work copy. Some more questions are there in the Diksha. The first question is, what is the meaning of creeping? Write the answer. What is the meaning of creeping? Be fast to write. Write this question also. What is the meaning of creeping?
मैम ये कॉपी में लिखना है.
हाँ ना बेटा, तभी तो दिखाया जा रहा है. आपको बोल भी रही हूँ मैं, कॉपी पे लिखना है.
Doing daily.
Don't tell me. You are Anika. Don't tell me and don't speak out. You are supposed to write in the class of copy. What is the meaning of
Ma'am,
creeping?
creeping. First creeping.
दृष्टि, आप ध्यान से सुना करें दृष्टि।
Ma'am, I can.
आपको बेटा मैं कुछ don't tell me the answer. Just write the answer by yourself and just check it.
Ma'am, growing daily crawling. Growing daily crawling. Crawling, ma'am.
बेटा मैं आपको तीसरी बार हिंदी में बता रही हूँ तारुष, ध्रुव, वेदांश कि आपको इसका आंसर कॉपी में लिखना है और चेक करना है। आपको मुझे नहीं बताना है। Don't tell me the answer. दृष्टि जी, इसका आंसर व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ क्रीपिंग? इसको आपको कॉपी में लिखना है बेटा। ठीक है? How many students have written? Just raise your hand if you have written. हाँ, यशवर्धन, very good. Rohani, very good. What is the meaning of creeping? Today I am going to send you to one link of curiosity question also on your WhatsApp group. Just write that question and answer in your copy. What is the meaning of creeping?
जिसको नहीं आता.
इसको नहीं आता है। दृष्टि जी, आपका माइक हमेशा खुला रहता है बेटा। हाँ मैम, कितनी बार बंद करेंगी बेटा? आपको थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा। दृष्टि राजपूत, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ क्रीपिंग? किसको नहीं आता है? हाँ, just check your answer. I'm going to show you the answer. The meaning of creeping is to move slowly or growing or crawling. That also, if you have written that also, it's correct. Now the second question. What does the child want to do? What does the child want to do? Now this question you have already written. Then who wants to tell me the answer of it? What does the child want to do?
क्वेश्चन बोलना.
क्वेश्चन ये है बेटा कि व्हाट डज द चाइल्ड वांट टू डू। ये आपने पहले भी लिखा है, इसका आंसर बोलिए। दृष्टि जी आंसर बोलिए माइक अनम्यूट करके। डोंट राइट दिस क्वेश्चन बेटा, ये क्वेश्चन नहीं लिखना है, पहले वाले का लिखना, दूसरा वाला नहीं लिखना है। इसको आपने कॉपी में ऑलरेडी लिख रखा है। व्हाट डज द चाइल्ड वांट टू डू? कौन बताना चाहे? दृष्टि जी, माइक कैमरा बंद हो गया। कौन बताना चाहेगा? व्हाट डज द चाइल्ड वांट टू डू? रेज योर हैंड। तनिष।
The child say good morning, play with
The what is the question? The question is what does the child want to do? The child want to go and play outside.
Ma'am, third question.
हाँ ना बेटा, third question.
The child wants to play with the sky, sun, winds, birds, trees, grass, and bees.
Okay. Very good. Okay. This question. One more question which I have to make you write is curiosity question. Should I make you write right now? Do you want to write this answer? How many students want to write the answer? The question is, just I'm showing you the question. Just start writing the question. Let me present the screen. Yeah. Now this my screen.
Third answer.
बेटा ये क्वेश्चन लिखिए, हाउ डू बर्ड्स नो इट्स मॉर्निंग? How do birds know it's morning? ये क्वेश्चन सारे बच्चों को लिखना।
मैम क्रीपिंग। मैम क्रीपिंग।
तारुष जी आप कहाँ पर है? क्रीपिंग बोल रहे हैं, क्या क्रीपिंग बोल रहे हैं बेटा?
मैम व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन?
The question is, how do birds know it's morning? लिखिए, how do birds know it's morning? Can somebody tell me the answer of it? How do birds know? Birds को कैसा पता चलता है कि मॉर्निंग हो गया है?
Yes, I can.
Who is that? Yeah.
मैम सनलाइट से।
Sunlight से yes और
मैम बर्ड्स कैन। मैम सनराइज से। बर्ड्स अपने सेंसेस से भी कर सकती है। सेंसेस
और
मैम आपकी स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रही, क्वेश्चन नहीं लिख पाया मैं अच्छे से।
कौन नहीं लिख पाया क्वेश्चन अच्छे से?
मैम
मैम मतलब
यशवर्धन।
क्वेश्चन है, हाउ डू बर्ड्स नो इट्स मॉर्निंग? इसके बारे में सोच करके मुझे बताइएगा। I have written in the chat box. Rishti ji, just mute yourself, better.
Birds can see the sunlight in morning.
Think and write. Think and write some more. Just try to find out the answer of it. Okay? इसका आंसर आपको ढूंढ करके रखना है। Okay?
मैम
Will everybody try?
मैम व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन? मैं देख नहीं पाया।
क्वेश्चन मैंने आपको चैट बॉक्स में डाला है बेटा, जिस बच्चे नहीं देख पाए हैं वो चैट बॉक्स में चेक करेंगे। अच्छे से चेक कीजिए, चैट बॉक्स सब कुछ दिया हुआ है चैट बॉक्स में। ठीक है
मैम मुझे क्वेश्चन नहीं आ रहा है कहाँ इन मॉर्निंग। मैम मुझे इसका आंसर नहीं आता। मैम आंसर इज करेक्ट। मैम ये आंसर करेक्ट है कि बर्ड्स कैन सी द सनलाइट इन मॉर्निंग।
आपको अभी नहीं बताना है, इसका आंसर आपको फाइंड आउट करना है और आपको लिखना है।
ओके
Okay, don't tell the answer right now. I told you to find out the answer of it. Okay, and then you have to write the answer. This work you have to do and show me tomorrow, not today. Now the next question. Identify the rhyming word in the poem. Rhyming word. This we have already done. What is the rhyme? Bees, trees, day, away, sun, run. This we already did. Now the next one. Who are already awake? Write this answer. Who are already awake? कौन जागे हुए हैं? Can somebody tell me?
मैम इसको कॉपी में लिखना है इस क्वेश्चन को।
हाँ ना बेटा, सारे क्वेश्चंस को कॉपी में लिखना है। Who are मैं भेज रही हूँ आपको चैट बॉक्स में। राइमिंग वर्ड वाला जो क्वेश्चन है बेटा वो तो आपने ऑलरेडी किया हुआ है, इसलिए इसको नहीं लिखना। इन द पोम डोंट राइट एनीथिंग आउट लाउड। Shresh, yes, we are the question answers you are supposed to write from the poem. Who are already awake? Sun, birds, bees, trees, like this. Okay? Who are already awake? Sun, birds, then bees and trees are already awake. Just check the chat box. I have written the question and answer in the chat box. Everybody has written?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, very good. Now by this we have completed our first poem. What is the first poem?
Good morning.
Yes, good morning.
Ma'am, good
First,
morning.
good morning. By this we
Ma'am,
have
good morning.
what today I'm going to share you. I'm going to share a link from Diksha app on your WhatsApp group. In that you are having MCQ questions. Okay, in that you are having MCQ questions. That questions you have to answer, and you have to write that questions in your copy also and send in the WhatsApp group. आप उसको आंसर करेंगे ना दीक्षा आपके लिंक को, तो वो मार्क्स बताएगा 2/2, 1/2। ओके, मैं आज आपको अभी थोड़ी देर में लिंक भेजूंगी दीक्षा आपका MCQ क्वेश्चंस का, मल्टीपल चॉइस। उसमें 4 ऑप्शंस होंगे, इसको टिक करना पड़ेगा और वो आपको मार्क्स भी देगा। ठीक है, और इसी के साथ ही आपका फर्स्ट पोम कंप्लीट हो गया है। और नेक्स्ट पीरियड में वी आर गोइंग टू just prepare this poem very nicely. I am going to have a class test. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट पीरियड में मैं आपका क्या लूंगी? क्लास टेस्ट। अब नेक्स्ट पीरियड कब है हमारा? थर्सडे को। ठीक है, थर्सडे को मैं आपका क्या लूंगी? क्लास टेस्ट।
मैम,
बोलिए।
मैम मुझे क्वेश्चन का आंसर नहीं आ रहा।
कौन से क्वेश्चन का आंसर नहीं आ रहा?
How do birds know it's morning?
ये आपको पता करके मुझे बताना है। आप इसको सोच करके बताइएगा कि किसको कैसे पता चलता है कि मॉर्निंग हो गया है। ठीक है, सोचिए, आप सोचिएगा आपको कैसे लगता है कि बर्ड्स को पता चल गया कि मॉर्निंग है। आप सोचिएगा और फिर मुझे बताइएगा। ठीक है बेटा, अभी नहीं बताना है। आप अभी बता दोगे सबके सामने तो सबको आंसर मिल जाएगा फिर। ठीक है, you just find out and write the answer. Okay, so we are going to conclude our class with Shanti Path. By this we have completed our first poem, that is good morning. So on Thursday you will be having a class test. In the class test you are supposed to write 2 answers. You have to be prepared with your class pen paper test also. You have to write 2 answers also. आपको 2 आंसर भी लिखने पड़ेंगे और एक गूगल फॉर्म भी करना पड़ेगा। तो आपको गुड मॉर्निंग पोम बिल्कुल अच्छे से तैयार करके रखना है। आपको कॉपी में आंसर्स लिखने हैं और उसका फोटो क्लिक करके व्हाट्सएप पे भी सेंड करना है और मैं आपको मिस्टेक्स बताऊंगी। ठीक है, तो आपको क्या करना है, पेन पेपर टेस्ट के लिए, गूगल फॉर्म के लिए इस तैयार रहना है और बहुत अच्छे से फॉर्म को तैयार करके रखना है।
मैम कौन से टेस्ट में सुन नहीं पाया?
क्या बेटा?
मैम कौन से टेस्ट में सुन नहीं पाया?
इंग्लिश का टेस्ट होगा, गुड मॉर्निंग फॉर्म का होगा।
ओके मैम।
ठीक है, ओके।
गूगल फॉर्म में होगा?
हाँ, दोनों तरह से, रिटर्न में भी और गूगल फॉर्म में भी। जॉइन योर हैंड्स, क्लोज योर आइज, स्टार्ट द शांति पाठ। ओम शांति शांति शांति। सारे बच्चों ने वो आंसर लिख लिया था जो मैंने चैट बॉक्स में डाला था?
यस मैम।